Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today I will be doing multiple things and doing a video on each one as I do it. But you see empty jars here. I am canning a few more jars of beets that I have. And then I think that'll do it for the year, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Going to farmer's market tomorrow. So we'll see, you know. Anyway, I'm going to be doing pickled beets because I had requests for that. So my beets is already, this beets is already cooked and it's in my half-pint jars and ready for onion I'm going to be putting in there and pickling. So that's something I'm going to be doing. Going to be using pickling spice to do that. I'm also going to be doing a couple jars of pickled carrots because I'm going to be canning some carrots as well. So the carrots and the beets need to be pressure canned, these beets, and the pickles will need to be water bath canned, so I could do everything at the same time. So please stay tuned. There's going to be probably about 4 or 5 videos coming out on these, showing you how I do each one, and I hope you stay tuned for that. You should have seen my garden video update, which is up by now. Please go over and look at that. And some more updates. Let's see. I gave away some things last week. So my email, there's something going on with my email, you guys. I've got one person's email. The other ones I don't have. I will look again when I go into my office, probably tomorrow by the time you guys all see this. And I will check again. But if you won something during my live last week, please email me again at thecanningnana@gmail.com and let me know what you won. So anybody who was in the live, you guys know who you are. Somebody won a canning book as well. I do not have your email. I don't think I ever saw that email come through. Please let me know. Please email me. Really, really, really important. Thank you guys, and I'll put something extra in there for the delay. Sorry, but something happened with my email, and I've been really slow because of back issues. So trying to get as much done as I possibly can. That's why I'm doing all of this at one time. So, and I got some more seeds sprouting over here, so hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be getting another bag of vegetables going for more vegetable broth, probably in a month or so since I just did it. But that's how I start saving. So I've got all the tops of the carrots in there. When I start cutting the onions and the onion tops and bottoms and the skins will also go in there. So stay tuned, you guys. Lots and lots coming. Thanks for watching. Oh, leave a comment if you want to see something in particular, what you guys want to see. That's why I'm doing the pickled beets, because I had a request for it. So, and it's something I've never done pickled beets before, and I've never done pickled carrots, so I figured I would try. And I am starting to get my pickling cucumbers are starting to become ripe, so I will be doing pickles very soon as well. So stay tuned, lots coming. And of course, the Prepared Pantry is coming as well. More things on that series, so please stay tuned. And let me know how you guys are all doing. Please leave a comment if you've watched this video all the way through. There will be a huge giveaway coming up very soon. And there are multiple ways to enter. In one of my videos not long ago, I had some people put the word garden in the video if you guys watched all the way through. Today, I want you to put the word beets if you watched all the way through. Okay? So that'll give you an entry into the giveaway. So thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more.